For all current and support editions of Windows, the April 8th, 2025 update addresses an important elevation of privilege security vulnerability detailed in CVE-2025-21204. A visible change is the addition of the C:\inetpub folder on the computer, regardless of whether Internet Information Services, IIS, is installed or not. Do not remove this folder, as it is placed there by design to increase the protection of the operating system. These are the OS version and build numbers with the associated KB number. Do not remove the C:\inetpub folder.